Hello everyone! Today we would like to show you the process of installing cork flooring for a park walking path. Typically, cork flooring installation is best done as the final step after all landscaping and surrounding road construction have been completed. But as you can see here, we are proceeding with the installation even though the landscaping and surrounding works are not yet finished. Cork flooring has the following advantages. It offers a level of healthiness and comfort that you might not have experienced before. There's truly nothing else quite like it on the market. Cork flooring stands out as the premier natural flooring option available today. Cork flooring, despite its many advantages, cannot ensure durability when using natural cork alone, meaning it can't be used as a building material on its own. This is where specially processed cork comes into play, and that's PG-Cork. PG-Cork is a product made with patented processing technology, and we were the first in the world to successfully bring it to market. The significance of commercializing PG-Cork granule is that it allows us to create a product that can be used as both indoor and outdoor building material, using only cork without any additional materials. This contributes to making human life safer, more comfortable, and healthier. The extensive use of PG-Cork granules also naturally helps in protecting the environment. Both PG-Cork and the PG binder used with it are eco-friendly products, free from harmful substances. PG-Cork is used for indoor and outdoor flooring in a variety of applications. The installation procedure for PIP PG-Cork flooring is outlined here. As you can see, it is very similar to installing rubber flooring. Now, let's go through the steps of installation. At every site, the floor condition before installation is often quite messy due to various debris and trash. Before we start cleaning the floor, we first relocate the materials and mixing equipment to a more convenient spot for the work. Once all preparations for the work are complete, the first thing we do is thoroughly clean the floor. We remove any paint or chemical substances with a solvent like thinner, and then use an air blower to blow away all debris, dirt, and dust. After cleaning the floor thoroughly, we apply a primer made on site. The primer is made by mixing PG binder with pure acetone in a 1:2 ratio. The purpose of the primer is to enhance the adhesion between the floor and the cork. We use a paint roller brush to apply it evenly and generously across the entire surface. We pay extra attention to the edges and the areas where the floor contacts curbs, ensuring these spots are well coated. Now, let's move on to the mixing process of cork and binder. We start mixing PG-Cork with PG binder once the binder primer has mostly dried. First, we add PG-Cork to the mixer, followed by PG binder. The standard mixing ratio is 10:1, but for floors requiring extra strength, we recommend a 10:1.1 ratio. There might be clumps in the cork bag, so before we add it to the mixer, either we stomp on the bag with our feet to break them up or use a sieve to ensure the cork goes in without lumps. We mix thoroughly until the mixture is smooth and uniform, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes after adding the binder. After mixing, we immediately clean the inside of the mixer with acetone. Removing cork that is stuck after some time has passed can be quite challenging and time-consuming. Now, we transport the mixed cork to where it will be applied. It's advisable to distribute it in manageable amounts across the area for easier spreading. To prevent cork chips from sticking to the transport cart, we cover it with plastic and wrap the wheels with tape. This greatly reduces the hassle and time spent cleaning off any cork that might stick after use. Before we begin rolling, it's crucial to spread the transported mixed cork evenly to achieve the desired thickness. For a smooth, level finish, using tools like a rake and a wooden squeegee is recommended. First, we use a rake to spread out the cork chips evenly. Then follow up with a wooden squeegee to roughly level them to the desired height, facilitating the subsequent roller work. After finishing the spreading, we move on to roller work to compact and level the surface. We utilize two types of heated rollers for this task. The first pass for compaction and leveling is done with a lighter roller, whereas the final pass involves a heavier roller. By the time of the second roller pass, the cork should have begun to harden, making it firm. We use heated rollers to ensure a smooth rolling process, which boosts efficiency, and to keep cork particles from adhering to the roller. The rollers we use weigh between 30 pounds and 50 pounds, with their internal temperature kept between 200 to 250 degrees Celsius, 390 to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. During the final roller pass, the cork has hardened significantly, making the rolling process more challenging. At this point, adding extra weight to the roller makes the process easier and more effective. First, we use a light roller for compaction and leveling. At this stage, the roller should be moved in the lengthwise direction. Lastly, we perform the compaction and leveling with the heavy roller, moving it in a vertical direction. To achieve a smooth finish, a zigzag rolling pattern might also be necessary. We can detect any unevenness on the surface by the feel transmitted through the roller to our hands. We keep rolling until the surface looks flat and has a consistent texture. Then we are done. The key difference from rubber chip installation is the use of heated rollers, and the fact that you'll need about twice as many roller passes compared to rubber chips. Once the roller work is finished, we use a trowel to smooth out the edges. Trowel work can also be done before the roller work, depending on the circumstances. To make the trowel work smoother, heating the bottom of the trowel or applying soapy water can be helpful. And here we have the completed scene after the trowel work. It's been finished off beautifully. The cork flooring installation is now complete. Before anyone can enjoy walking on the new cork floor, it requires about 24 hours to fully cure. During this curing time, install safety barriers to keep both people and animals out of the area. We've successfully completed over 150 cork flooring projects, and by 2023, we've installed over 1.2 million square feet. Our installation track record is among the best in the world. We also supply cork flooring for children's playgrounds and non-peeling, various colored cork chips.